Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Kindle to Wi-Fi and sync library on Amazon. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect your Kindle to Wi-Fi, start by turning on your device. Press the power button until the screen lights up. Once your Kindle is on, locate the settings icon. The settings icon appears as three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon to open the menu. In the settings menu, select Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Here, you will see a list of available Wi-Fi network. Choose your desired Wi-Fi network from the list. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. After entering the password, tap Connect. Your Kindle will take a moment to connect to the network. Once connected, you will see a check mark next to your Wi-Fi network. Now that your Kindle is connected to Wi-Fi, let's sync your library. Go back to the home screen by pressing the Home button. From the home screen, tap on Library at the top of the page. In the Library menu, look for the option that says Sync My Kindle. Tapping this will initiate the sync process. Your Kindle will now connect to Amazon servers. This process updates your library with any new purchases or changes. Wait a moment for the sync to complete. Once finished, you'll see your updated library reflected on your device. That's it. Your Kindle is now connected to Wi-Fi and your library is synced. Enjoy your reading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.